Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to send money from Cash App to Airtm. So, let's get started. If you need to withdraw funds from your Cash App, a convenient option is to use Airtm, which offers a US virtual account that allows you to bypass the restrictions that Cash App imposes for identity verification in the US. By using Airtm, you can withdraw your Cash App balance and convert it into your local currency, making the process smoother and more accessible. The first step is to create an account on Airtm if you don't already have one. You can sign up by following the registration process through the platform. Once your account is set up, the next step is to request a US virtual account within the Airtm platform. This virtual account will provide you with the necessary banking details such as an account number and a routing number, which are required to link with your Cash App. After obtaining your US virtual account details, you can then proceed to add this information to your Cash App. You'll be using the account number and routing number provided by Airtm to link your virtual account as a bank card in Cash App, which is particularly helpful if you're facing verification issues within the app. By doing so, you can effectively connect your Cash App account to Airtm, allowing for seamless transfers. Once your US virtual account is successfully linked to Cash App, the next step is to transfer your Cash App balance to your Airtm account. With the funds now in your Airtm account, you have the flexibility to convert them into your local currency. This conversion process is straightforward and enables you to withdraw the funds without any complications, providing a hassle-free way to access your money while avoiding any restrictions Cash App might impose. That's it for this video. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.